Hey y'all, what's good? It's your girl Kera Jaay and I'm here with another video for you today. So in today's video, you're not going to see my face. It's going to be a really quick video. I'm just going to go through and swatch my Glam and Glits acrylic powders with you guys. If you guys saw my last video or my previous or next, well, that wouldn't make sense. Either this video is going to go up first or my iGel Beauty video is going to go up first. Probably this one because I'm not going to edit it as much, if at all. So I'm just going to go through these quickly right now for you. Show you the few Glam and Glits powders that I have, and I've had these for a while, a really long time. These are the first bunch of acrylics and monomer and stuff that I bought. I'm not using their monomer to swatch these, but I just don't really like their monomer anyways. I only really like to use Young Nails monomer if I'm being completely honest, but that's just my preference. You should use their matching monomer, but I'm sure you don't have to. I haven't, and I've never had a problem. So that's your prerogative. Let's get right into it. So the first color I have, well, I mean, I have a couple whites. I don't know how well the whites are gonna swatch against the white, but we're just gonna rock with it. So I have Milky White, and this is the Color Blend Collection BL3001, and that's Milky White. And that's what it looks like. I've used it a little bit, not too much, but it's probably the most used Glam and Glits that I have. It's looking really milky there. It's not a very it's not like a cum white, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not like milky white like that, but I mean, it's just like a nice soft white opposed to ultra white. This is like the really stark white, and I've used this to make acrylics, so that's why it's a little, well, quite a bit used, but I don't actually use it that often. So that's the ultra white, and I'll have them beside each other so you can, yeah, you can see the difference. The other one the Milky White kind of blends into the tissue more, and it's more opaque than the Milky White, or pardon, the Ultra White is definitely more white. That actually stains a lot, so let's move on to ones that are not going to stain. This one here, Glam and Glits in the Fantasy Nail Collection, and this is Fairy Dust. And when I bought these acrylics, it was when they were having their like back to basics acrylic bundle deal thing, where they had like, you selected colors in each section kind of thing, and you built your own kit. So that's when I got all of these acrylics, so that's why I don't have all too many. This next one also in the Fantasy Collection, Night in Paris FA502. I don't know if I said this number. FA547 was Fairy Dust, and FA502, Night in Paris. I used to love this color. Whenever I'd go to my nail girl, I would get this color a lot, because it's a really pretty acrylic. That's what that looks like. Go ahead and put that there. Super pretty for fall. Like, I'm gonna kill that in fall. My birthday is in a month and a day, y'all, from today. Today is August 25th, and my birthday is September 26th, so it's almost my birthday, and if I'm wearing gold, I might do a gold set. This next color is in the Naked Color Acrylic Collection, and this is the shade I'm the One, which is true, and that is NCA 402. This is a nice kind of like taupey, purpley, gray kind of color with some shimmer in it. Pretty neutral. I'm gonna put that on this side. So it's kind of gray looking. I don't like Glam and Glits acrylics too much because I think they are very chalky. You do want to shake them up before you use them for sure. For swatch intensive purposes, I'm not really shaking them up too much, mainly because they were all being shaken up when I was searching around for them. So there's that. Glam and Glits, medium pink, and I don't know. Some of them have numbers, some of them don't. So I guess it depends on the collection. So this is medium pink, and I'll put that on this one too. Their covers are definitely better than their solid colors, but their glitters are my favorite, so there's that. This next one is in the Color Blend Collection, and this is medium blush cover BL3059, and it's like that. A lot of these colors I haven't used on people or myself, and I just kind of like have been hoarding them around. So that's probably why I'm not gonna like buy from Glam and Glits too much. and while shipping here is like ridiculously expensive, so I'm gonna try and avoid that. Next here we have Color Blend BL. That was really bright. Hold off on that one. Glam and Glits Naked Color Acrylic Collection, and this is Coffee Break. And that is NCA 433. I don't know if I'm inferring too well, guys. Trying up a new setup here. Ooh, and I spilled a lot of it. So this is like a brown color with shimmer in it. It's a pretty color. I thought I'd like it more, but when I got it in person, I was not as impressed with it. It's just really dark. Nice fall color. I mean, kind of boring, but it's a nice color, I guess. Moving right along, I told you this is going to be a fast video. We'll do this one here, and this is in the Colourpop Acrylic Collection, CPA 373, and the color is Sunset Paradise. I have used this one, and it turned out really, really nice on the set I was doing. So that looks like, and I'll just put this down here. Moving right along, I'll go ahead and I guess I'll do this one. This is in the Glow Acrylic Collection, and this is Ray of Sunshine GL2038, and it has shimmer in it as well. I use this one. If you saw my Monsters ink set that I did on Instagram, if you don't follow me on Instagram, it was on my beauty Instagram, so I will link that in my description so you can follow my nail journey that way. But also here, since I'm going to be trying to get more videos done for you guys, so yes. Here another one, Colourpop Acrylic Collection. This is called Wave, CPA 376. These two are pretty similar, and I don't know why. I actually ended up buying two different build your own like acrylic set things at different times. So I guess when I bought, I don't know what I was thinking. Very similar, but I wanted to glow in the dark, so that's why I got that one. Moving on, I think I'll do this one next. Actually no, I'll do this one next. So we have Colourpop again, and this is Bright Light CPA 352, and super neon. Go ahead and just get that swatched up. And last but not least, we got Color Blend Collection XOXO BL3025. And that's a super hot pink. I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in my next video.